Have you ever wanted to earn money online but felt hindered by limited funds or resources? If you're a student or someone seeking to make a side income without a substantial investment, you're in the right place. From eBay dropshipping to blogging, freelancing, and leveraging Instagram, these methods can pave the way to financial independence. Stay tuned as we explore each method's potential and how they can transform your financial future. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button to be updated on more of our pivot online finds. Dropshipping. eBay. Dropshipping stands out as a promising venture requiring minimal upfront investment. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. You list products on eBay without maintaining any inventory. The key is to identify trending and sought-after items that appeal to potential buyers. While the initial capital requirement is low, success hinges on critical factors like product quality and impeccable customer service. Ensuring top-notch product listings with optimized titles, high-quality images, and detailed descriptions is crucial. Thoroughly researching and selecting reliable suppliers from platforms like AliExpress, Amazon, or Walmart is essential for smooth order fulfillment. Maintaining customer satisfaction through prompt shipping, clear communication, and addressing any issues swiftly is paramount. Dropshipping. Step 1. The first step in starting an eBay dropshipping venture involves signing up on eBay and initiating product listings without the need to manage inventory. This process grants access to a massive online marketplace where you can showcase your products to potential buyers. The next pivotal step is conducting thorough research to pinpoint trending and high-demand items that captivate buyers' interest. Tools like Zik Analytics prove invaluable in this phase, offering insights into product trends and market demands. Leveraging such tools aids in identifying products with the potential for high sales volume. By scrutinizing market trends and customer preferences, you can strategically select items with a greater likelihood of attracting buyers. Dropshipping. Step 2. In the next step of eBay dropshipping, optimization is key. Crafting listings that stand out amidst the marketplace's competition is crucial. This involves creating captivating titles, utilizing high-quality images that showcase the product, and drafting detailed, informative descriptions that entice potential buyers. Once the listings are optimized, the next phase involves sourcing the products from reliable suppliers such as AliExpress, Amazon, or Walmart to fulfill orders. Establishing partnerships with these suppliers ensures a smooth process for order fulfillment without the need to manage inventory. Working with reputable suppliers guarantees product availability, quality, and timely delivery to your customers. Ensuring a seamless transaction process from the initial listing to the product's delivery is imperative for building trust and maintaining customer satisfaction, contributing significantly to the success of your eBay dropshipping venture. Blogging. Blogging presents an avenue with significant potential for substantial earnings, achievable over time through consistent dedication and the creation of high-quality content. This platform allows individuals to share their expertise, experiences, or insights in a niche they're passionate about. The key to unlocking blogging's earning potential lies in consistently producing valuable, engaging, and relevant content. By addressing readers' needs, interests, or providing solutions to their queries, bloggers can build a loyal readership base. Monetization avenues such as Google AdSense, where ads are displayed on the blog, and affiliate marketing promoting products or services for commissions, offer avenues for generating income. Success in blogging hinges on dedication, consistency, and a keen understanding of the target audience's preferences and needs. Blogging. Step 1. To kick off a successful blogging venture, begin by establishing a blog centered around a niche you're passionate about. Selecting a niche of personal interest enables you to produce engaging and authentic content that resonates with your audience. Once your blog gains traction and attracts regular readership, monetization becomes possible through various channels. Google AdSense stands out as a reliable option, allowing bloggers to display targeted ads on their websites. As traffic grows, these ads generate revenue based on clicks or impressions. Additionally, tapping into affiliate marketing presents another lucrative avenue. Bloggers can promote products or services relevant to their niche through affiliate links, earning commissions for successful referrals or sales. Blogging. Step 2. The next step in building a successful blog involves the consistent creation of valuable and compelling content aimed at attracting and retaining readers. By regularly publishing articles, blog posts, or multimedia content relevant to your niche, you establish credibility and encourage audience engagement. Providing informative, entertaining, or solution-driven content keeps readers returning for more. When it comes to hosting your blog, Hostinger emerges as a reliable and cost-effective solution. Choosing an efficient hosting provider like Hostinger guarantees optimal website functionality, seamless user experience, and faster loading times. This ultimately enhances your blog's visibility and accessibility, contributing significantly to audience retention and growth. Investing in a reliable hosting service is pivotal for bloggers aiming to establish a strong online presence and ensure a positive reader experience. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Freelancing. Freelancing serves as a lucrative avenue to earn income without significant financial investment, yet it demands dedicated time and effort for skill development and client acquisition. In the realm of freelancing, your expertise becomes your currency, allowing you to offer services to clients seeking specialized skills. Investing time in honing in-demand skills such as graphic design, copywriting, programming, or digital marketing is crucial for freelancers. Online platforms and courses, often available for free, offer opportunities to acquire certifications and enhance proficiency in these areas. As you expand your skill set and expertise, you become more attractive to potential clients. Freelancers must consistently deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and maintain professionalism to foster client trust and secure repeat business. While freelancing doesn't demand upfront financial investment, dedication and perseverance are key to building a successful freelancing career. Freelancing. Step 1. The initial step in embarking on a freelancing career involves acquiring in-demand skills such as video editing or specialized knowledge in areas like Google Ads management. Leveraging free online courses, such as those offered by Google and various other platforms, becomes pivotal in acquiring certifications and expanding your skill set. Platforms like Google's online courses provide comprehensive training modules, equipping individuals with valuable skills and certifications recognized in the industry. These courses cover various aspects of specialized skills, from video editing techniques to mastering Google Ads campaigns. These certifications act as a testament to your proficiency, making you more appealing to potential clients seeking these specific skill sets. The acquisition of these in-demand skills through free online courses forms a solid foundation for establishing a successful freelancing career, opening doors to diverse opportunities in the digital marketplace. Freelancing. Step 2. The second step involves effectively marketing your acquired skills to potential clients or businesses to kickstart your freelancing career. After acquiring valuable expertise through certifications or online courses, showcasing your skills becomes crucial in attracting clients. Crafting a professional portfolio or website highlighting your expertise, completed projects, and certifications serves as a powerful marketing tool. Utilize freelancing platforms, social media, or professional networks to present your services. Networking with potential clients, participating in relevant forums, or engaging in industry-specific groups can expand your reach. Consistent and strategic marketing efforts, combined with a professional presentation of your skills, enhance your visibility and credibility in the freelancing market. Establishing a strong online presence and actively promoting your services is fundamental to attracting clients and securing freelance opportunities. Instagram-themed page. Creating an Instagram-themed page tailored to a specific niche is a powerful strategy for generating income through affiliate marketing. Selecting high-paying niches like online business, tech reviews, health, or spirituality provides a fertile ground for attracting a targeted audience and monetizing your content effectively. The cornerstone of a successful Instagram page lies in regularly posting engaging and relevant content aligned with your chosen niche. Sharing informative posts, captivating visuals, tips, or how-to guides not only attracts followers but also keeps them engaged. Consistency in content delivery is key to building a loyal and involved audience base. Leveraging AI-powered tools for content creation and planning can significantly streamline your Instagram strategy. These tools assist in generating engaging captions, creating captivating visuals, and scheduling posts for optimal timing, enhancing the efficiency of your content production process. Over time, as your follower base grows and engagement increases, your affiliate marketing efforts have the potential to yield substantial commissions, transforming your Instagram-themed page into a profitable venture within your chosen niche. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.